Hey everybody, hypothyroid is not a thyroid problem. Let me explain. If you're taking thyroid medication and you're still having symptoms and you're frustrated, put in the comments what you're taking and how long you've been taking it, because you're really going to need to watch the rest of this video. I'm Dr. Scott. I own Chronic Care, which is a medical integrative clinic where we take the best of traditional medicine, take the best of natural medicine, and getting fantastic results. Reason that it's not a thyroid problem is because 90% of all hypothyroid cases is caused from Hashimoto's disease. Hashimoto's is an autoimmune condition. What's happening is your immune system is destroying your thyroid cells that make thyroid hormone. So over time, your immune system kills enough cells that your thyroid doesn't have enough cells to make enough hormone for you. And so your doctor checks your blood and bingo, bango, all of a sudden you need thyroid medication. And what does thyroid medication do for your thyroid? It is doing absolutely nothing, zero for your thyroid function. What it's doing, it's replacing what your thyroid can't give you. And when your doctor tells you that you'll be on thyroid medication the rest of your life, well, the reason why you will be is because the hormone itself is doing nothing for your thyroid. It is doing nothing for the cause of the thyroid problem, which is the Hashimoto's. Unfortunately, traditional medicine does not treat Hashimoto's disease, which is the real cause of your problem. So imagine this is the medical model box. Hashimoto's is over here. You're not in that box. You can put Hashimoto's into remission, but you cannot do it by taking just the thyroid medication by itself. Now, that doesn't mean you need to stop taking it. You do need it in the short term until you can fix your problem. Over half of our patients are able to come off their thyroid medication. Even when we're working with clients, we are not replacing your endocrinologist or your primary care physician because they are regulating your prescription medication. That is one part, okay? We handle everything else that they will not handle. And then we get your life back. They take you off the medication if that's appropriate in your case, and you live a wonderful, happy life. If you're looking for help, please reach out to us. Send me a DM, hit the sign up button, or go to our link in our profile and you'll be able to sign up for a free discovery call or a full consultation with this. But please get to someone that will be able to help you get to your root cause of your root cause, because you deserve to be amazing, because you are.